Hi, I'm Bill. In this video, I'll explain why the pivot table's calculated field or calculated item might be grayed out and how to fix it. There are two common scenarios. First, if both options are grayed out, it's likely because the pivot table is based on an OLAP data model, which usually happens when you select Add to Data Model during creation. The solution is simple. When creating a pivot table, ensure you do not select the Add to Data Model option. As you can see now, both the calculated field and calculated item are available. Second, if only the calculated item is grayed out, it's because your cursor is within the data area. The solution is to move your cursor to the field headers before inserting the pivot table formula. For instance, if you want to calculate month 2 sales minus month 1 sales, ensure your cursor is in the header. Now, when you insert the calculated item, it becomes available. If I place the cursor in the value area, you'll see the calculated item is grayed out. But when I move it to the header, the calculated item becomes available.